It's a nice 10 winter degree day on the Gold Coast, and it's the Porsche Sports Car Together Day at the home of the Art Center. So we're gonna walk around and check out some of these cars. There's some hot cars, one of my favorites right at the front entrance. A 944 S2 cab. Still got a 944 in Canada, the old dad's got. And yeah, Cabrio, always one of our favorites. Next to it, 928. It's got the big wings, so that looks like what, an S as well. 996 GT3. And they've got the GT3 seats, the real versions of ours. A familiar one, another Boxster S. This is an earlier model than ours. But yeah, it's nice with that really, really metallic, very dark blue over the tan. The 996. Always nice to see a 996. That one's a second gen. It's got the updated headlights, just a Carrera and the manual. What else do we have? Oh, then we've got some of the old boys. Cars that made us fall in love with Porsche when we were kids, with the big whale tails. And of course they have to have one to keep the wives happy, so you got a Macan. Maybe we'll keep our wife happy one day. Probably not. I don't know. Does she deserve it? Well, oh, this is hot. 911 Speedster. That is so rare, so expensive. Basically, it's a convertible GT3. Nice, the GT2 RS. We've seen that around before. It's always at shows on the coast. New 992 GT3. That's a brand newie. It's got the sticker in the price tag. Here you go. All the American boys want to know what these cars cost here in Australia. $481,000. And the dollar is not too different. There's the new Cup car. It's a weapon. One of the old girls. 3.5 collector, historic plates on it. Of course, the feature with the Taycan, that's a interesting green. That is a factory paint job, not a rep. The bronze, different setup. And then a Boxster 25. Love those 5-spoke wheels. A few other that's their design trailers and racing simulators setups. Porsche Motion Cayenne GTS Coupe. A few more guys' cars here. Look, this is the 911, and they've got the ducktail on it. That's hot. Really nice with the kind of modern Fuchs style wheels and ducktail. I like that. Look at it. Just nice, very nice, clean interior. I'd like to see the sport seats in that, but awesome looking car. Couple cabs. This Cayenne hybrid. And some more, another 997. Here's a rare one. This is a nice 964, or no, 968, sorry. So that's the replacement of the 944, the bigger motor. Basically it's like the 944 to the S2, and then the S3 is basically this car, so it's the update. It's the last of the 4-cylinder front engines. Beautiful red 356. Look at that. So fun. More Taycan fun. There we go, 997 turbo. Awesome. and next to it, a newer Boxster. Now here we have a new 992 GT3, making it family friendly with the baby seat. That's awesome. I like the blue. They got the yellow seat belts. It's a nicely spec car, looks great. And that's got the nice, beautiful gooseneck wing on them. Love those. Another Gen 2 996. It's got the updated headlights, front bumper, wheels similar to ours on our Boxster. It's a little bit fatter. Trying to find a set of those. Right, 996 turbo. I've seen this one around a bit. This comes to car shows and club days. Of course, 9 turbo. It's got the sport seats. This is a manual. So it's like my dad's in Canada. His 996 is convertible. Turbo is a manual as well. There you go. Some more GT3s and 991s. A little bit more aggressive looking at that wing, but that gooseneck on the new one's great. And that is a self-shifter as well. Yeah, one of the 6 speeds. .987 S. That's the speed yellow. Looks great. That's the PDK. So this would be one of the later ones. It's got the 19-inch Carrera wheels. Oh, nice old Targa. Like that. I love that boxy roof on the Targas. And look, this is a bit outlaw. Rally spotties, quick fuel fills. Running some fat semi-slicks on it. And the last row, a few of the more modern ones. Nice with the 997. That's a nice looking 997. Sport seats, manual, Carrera S. That's a nice car. And then, oh, this is a GT3. You know, I might miss that. GT3 Touring. First one of these we've seen. Bit more comfortable than the regular GT3, so they say. And now one last run down the middle. Cayman GT4, that goes to the track quite a bit. Seen that out. Love that blue. That's the, I think that's the Miami blue. Oh, and there's like Gulf blue next to it in that. I have no idea what year that is. There's too many parts on it. But it's a great color with that Gulf blue. New GTS. They're so big. You put them next to each other. Wow, they're just enormous in new cars. And there we go. That's the Porsche Sports Car Together Day. That's a very German name for it, but yeah, there's a lot more cars coming. We're just here when it opens, well, just opened now, so there's a few more cars coming. There's a lot more I can see over in the parking lot of just people who have turned up. But that's a great turnout for the morning. So the guest parking is picking up, and here's the 993 Turbo. Now $750,000 these things. That's hot. And look at this one. Look how straight it is. Looks like they just had PDR done on it and take every dent out. Oh wait, yes, last week we did have PDR done on it and take every dent out. So shiny. The seat mount is on its way over from America as we speak. So I'll have the matching GT3 seats. There's a GT3 style seat, let's call them style seat. All right, here we go. Oh, there's a self-shifting 997. That's an S. The cool MGB. And the mum car, Cayman GT4. Look, that's elite parking.